Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? What we have here is a cardboard self-framed Budweiser sign ad. It's depicting good old wagon train being attacked. This is why they eventually got to checks and stopped moving gold and paper around because they were getting robbed all the time. So if you are a fan of Budweiser, vintage advertising, or just like this Western art, I believe this is for you then.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.